How to add a world clock widget to iPhone home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a world clock widget to your iPhone home screen so you can track multiple time zones easily. First, we need to enter the home screen edit mode. Here how. Long press on your empty space on your home screen. At the top left corner, type edit. You will now see three options pop up. Add widget, customize, edit option. We are going to select add widget. Now let's add the world clock widget. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type clock and tap on it. Select world clock to see the different widget style. Apple gives you multiple world clock style to choose from, including analog, horizontal, compact, timeline, current time, system time. For this tutorial, we are selecting analog. Tap on add widget to add it to your home screen. Now that the world clock widget is on your home screen, you can drag it to your preferred position, place it on a dedicated page for time related widget, resize it if needed, and that's it. You now have a world clock widget on your home screen, making it super easy to check different time zones at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.